This is my step-by-step strategy for sprint testing meta lead gen ads. So this strategy can get you traffic and leads within 1 to 2 hours of the ad being approved. So step number 1, go ahead and create 2 different headlines for your ad with the same offer. So here's an example that might help you guys. Let's say I'm a loan officer and I want to work with real estate investors or landlords looking to buy a second home or investment property, and they might need a hard money loan to buy the property. So here's what my offer would sound like. In less than 60 seconds, you can find out how much you can get for your next investment property without any credit check. And you could set up your funnel or however you're going to qualify them after that. So the 2 headlines I'm going to test should pop up on the screen right here. So step number 2, go ahead and create 1 video and 1 photo, both using that same offer angle, okay? Step number 3, create 1 other video and 1 more photo using completely different headlines from the first pair, okay? So set up your campaign with your budget, language, and geo-targeting, and make sure you have Advantage campaign budget off, okay? So step number 5 is going to be creating the first ad set. So you're going to set up manual placements, and you're only going to use the Facebook feed in this case with mobile device targeting. That's what I would go with. I would go ahead and leave the interest targeting broad as well, and I will explain that later on. But go ahead and just leave that off, and at the most you can go ahead and add age targeting if it's unrestricted for your type of campaign. So if you're doing real estate, finance, you likely can't. If you're not, you can. The next one is go ahead and add your creatives to that ad set. Now, the best part about this placement is this is typically where Facebook gets the best traffic on the feed. So we're going to isolate this 1 ad set right here and test that. Now go ahead and select do not use multi-advertiser ads. Don't select those. Single image ads and videos only. Step number 8, go ahead and add your tracking parameters or your UTM parameters. So go ahead and add that. I'll show you an example somewhere on the screen. Duplicate the original ad set we set up by clicking quickly duplicate and only change the placements. That's step number 9. So what we're going to do here is add Facebook feed again on the ad set placements, add Facebook video feeds, and ads on Facebook Reels. Go ahead and add your 4 creatives on this ad set, and we're done with that. So step number 10 is go ahead and duplicate the first ad set, but this time only select the Instagram feed placement only and remove the Facebook feed placements from the duplicate. Go ahead and drop your ads in. We're going to isolate just Instagram on this ad set. Step 11, set up the final ad set. Duplicate the one you just did. Add these placements right here. It's going to be the Instagram feed again. It's going to be the Instagram Reels placement, Instagram Explore Home, and Instagram Stories, and Instagram ads on Reels. So throw in your 4 creatives and boom, there we go. Step number 12, we're almost done, guys, but what we are going to do now is we're going to duplicate all the 4 ad sets, but you are only going to change one thing across all ad sets. This time you can go ahead and add 1 interest-based targeting option that's relevant to who you're actually targeting. So make sure it actually has a decent size. Do not do a small audience option. It should show like an estimate of your audience size. Do that across the 4 newly duplicated ad sets. You should make all your ad set budgets even as well, by the way. So you now have a total of 8 ad sets in that campaign. By now you are probably thinking a few things. So why should it be set up like this, right? So you're setting it up like this if your objective is to test new offers and ad creatives quickly. So it allows you to find placements where no one else is running their ads and effectively end up generating leads quickly, but also find where you should invest the rest of your ad spend. So after 24 to 48 hours, you're going to have a good sample of leads to look at. And because we structured our campaigns like this, everything's diversified and isolated, so we can see a much better idea of where are we winning at. Is it IG or is it Meta? Which placement is it? Which offer angle is it? So once you go ahead and do that, you are going to be able to pull in leads very quickly and scale your campaigns much more effectively. Now go ahead and run with it.